Yeehaw! 2010, baby. Hoorah. Damn. Whew. Good God. Decade of destruction, people. 10 years. All gone. Man. Wow. Gorgeous. Shit. Yeehaw, right there, that's the thing. Woo. Oh shit. Yeehaw. Oh, that's the shit right there. Oh, here we go, that's the end. Woohoo! Oh, thank you, Sheraton. Oh shit, there it goes. Come on, give me something else. Woo! Oh, very nice. Ba-boom. Yee-hoo. Oh, and we thought it was over, but it wasn't. Oh, very nice. Look at that shit. Oh, that's a high one. Oh. Whew. Oh shit. I mean, seriously, this video is not even going to show how cool this is to have something launch right above you. But it's pretty freaking wicked, people. Let's put it that way. Oh, right there. That was sick. That was pure sickness. I hope this video comes out mean, because this is pretty sick. I mean, you know, New Year's Eve, people, 2010. Let me ask you something. What have you done with the last 10 years of your life? Any dreams and admirations that you might have done? Something you should definitely think about, that's for sure. But who knows? Maybe you did something. Maybe you didn't. In the end, does it even matter? Not a bad free show if I do say so myself. Alright, you guys. Well, I will see you in 2010. Aloha.